There's the reversal by Luke Harper.
Boy, he could pin his opponent right here.
There's the point.
Uh-oh, he's in position, ready to strike.
He's back on his feet, but you can see the abuse from this grueling, astonishing maneuver by Eric Rowan. And will this be it? 2. There's the point.
Oh, there it is.
The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time.